The Martin Kilpatrick Pool Table Conversion Top is the perfect addition to your game room. Turn your table into fun with this ping pong table topper for a pool table. This 3/4-inch table tennis top is made in the same factory as butterfly table tennis tables and is designed to fit 8 feet pool tables. Rails can be unscrewed and removed to fit some 9 feet tables. This table tennis top for pool tables is regulation size, which is 9 feet by 5 feet, making it great for competitive playing for kids or adults. Not only is this great for billiard tables, but this ping pong table topper can also be used on most sturdy tables, such as a large dining room table. The top comes with a net set and foam protection pads are included to prevent scratches to your billiard table. These pads peel and stick underneath the conversion top to protect your pool table from scratches. Converting your billiard table to play ping pong is easy. Place both halves onto your pool table, slide the net posts in each side, slide on the net, and start playing. Unlike most ping pong conversion tops, each half of this conversion top attaches to a dovetail locking system. This locking system prevents the separation of your pool table ping pong top during play. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the Martin Kilpatrick Pool Conversion Table Tennis Top ensures exceptional quality as one of the top ping pong tables for pool tables on the market. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Martin Kilpatrick Game Tables. Convert your pool table to play ping pong with one of the ultimate pool table accessories. Number 2. Warranty. This pool table topper has a 3 years warranty, unlike most ping pong tables. Number 3. Foam protection. Foam pads are included to protect your pool table conversion top. Number 4. Quality top and rails. Sturdy 3/4-inch tabletop ping pong table is regulation size 9x5 with metal apron. Number 5. Locking halves. Both halves lock, preventing sliding while playing ping pong. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.